all, let's start solving today's LeetCode daily challenge question. So the question is smallest missing multiple of k. We are given integer array nums and integer k. Return the smallest positive multiple of k that is missing from nums, and a multiple of k is any positive integer divided by k. So let's understand, this is a easy level question. We are given this array and we are given k, and we have to find the smallest multiple of this k which is not present in this, that is missing. So 2 is there. What are the multiples of 2? They are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Now 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, and next is 10. So 10 is missing, so answer is 10. So in such cases, first let's see the constraint. Constraints are very less than 100 and 8. Okay, the numbers will be till 100. So if we have the limited constraint and we have to check the missing number or something, then we can make use of hash. So instead of hash set, as we know the constraint, I would use the hash array, boolean hash array. Okay, what we will do is, here what will be the size will be 101 because last element is 1. Okay, now what we can do is we can just mark it as true or not if that element is present or not from nums, and then for each multiple of k then we will check if that is present or not, and the last one, if it is not present then we will directly return, and if we end till 100, okay, if that multiple is above 100, so then we can just return that plus k. Okay, now first let's mark it as true for all. So this will be I less than nums dot length I plus plus, what we will do, hash of nums of I then is equal to true. Okay, hash of nums of I will be from, the constraint is what, 0 1 to 100. So we get 100 index here. Okay, maximum we mark it as true if that is present. Now for each multiple, okay, let's take a variable outside int I, and it will start from I is equal to what, k, and I less than what, 101, because that is maximum, and I plus plus, no, I plus equal to what, k, because we have to check the multiple. And if my hash of this multiple I, if it is false, that means it is not there. So first one only we have to return that. Why? Because the missing, least missing, we have to minimum number, else we will just return I. Why? That's why we have taken this I. So when my I is more than 101, that means it is not anyway present because our nums can contain 1 to 100 only, so we will just return I. Let's run this. This is just a easy level, we can solve it in using hash array. Let's submit this. Or another solution is you maintain a hash set, and like instead of hash array you can also maintain the hash set, insert all the elements and check in o of 1. Here also you're doing in o of 1 only, this is because you know the index. So as you can see, our solution got accepted. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.